Hey guys, just got a delivery from my buddy over at Yotto Overland with a bunch of Raptorized goodies. So let's get it open and check out the first thing we picked up. Today, we're checking out the Raptorized Side Vents for the Jeep JL and JT. These are true OEM parts that have been refinished in our tough Raptor lining, and they look great too. So it's over to the shop and time to get these installed. Pull out a trim removal tool and pop the stock side vents off of the fender. It'll take a little force. Next, clean up the area with the vent removed. Now we can grab our new side vent, peel back the double-sided tape, and pop the vent into place. And just like that, the driver's side is installed. Over to the passenger side. Remove the stock vent, clean the area, peel back the tape, and secure the vent into place. That's simple, and man do these look great. And they match the grill. Pick up yours in the link below and make sure to like and subscribe.